Yeah, man, I don't know, say artist this again, my people, you understand? And right now, I see a little vibes are going on the internet, and you know what I mean? From my point of view, still, I don't know about anyone else, you know. And I feel many people agree with me still, you know. It really, you know, look too good still, to be honest, you know. This thing with Foota hype and Firelinks, you know. That true that each other, you understand? Right now, if me be honest, Foota hype and Firelinks are two icon selector in the business and well respected by many people, you understand? And it nah benefit none out of the two because all this thing you do a damage both of them, you know. Because certain thing where never come out in the public a leak out right now and both party. You understand? So this a damage Foota hype and it's a damage Firelinks at the same time. You see me? Because them are two icon of the business. So my advice to both still, you know, is just know say boy, them vibes there, on a big man na the thing and you know, you have to show the young youth them example and all of them thing there. Never even that too. Uno have to know say boy, Uno is respected, you know, by the people. So don't drag each other through the mud like that because it don't go leave a bad taste now not both on the mouth. And it gonna look bad, not per one, but on both of you. If one of uno evil win the argument, it still a go left a stain on evil the winner. You understand? So I would advise the man them just cease fire, you understand? And know say boy, whatever difference you no have, you better a man not deal with that man, you understand? But if you come out, uno damage uno brand, brother. You understand? So now we're gonna just think about that still. Yeah, man. Bless up Foota hype and bless up Firelinks. I don't know it too general them. You understand? Yes.